Today I'm showing you a lovely 3-bedroom townhouse in Seamew Park. You've got your double garage, so sea views over Mossel Bay, views over Seamew Park. You'll find your living dining room area, nice and spacious with tiled flooring. On your nice and cozy balcony, offering you sea views over Mossel Bay. Find your open plan kitchen, granite tops, your separate scullery, access to your double garage. This unit also has an enclosed backyard, it makes it pet friendly. You also have this stunning braai room, ideal to entertain family and friends. Let's go and have a look at the rest of the house. You'll find your first bedroom, carpeted flooring, built-in cupboards. Find your bathroom, floor to ceiling tiles. Second bedroom, also has carpeted flooring and built-in cupboards, and of course your master suite. With your ensuite bathroom. This very neat 3-bedroom townhouse in Seamew Park is now up for sale.